Morning, dear students. This is Satish Kumar, and we are going to see the next video of light reflection and refraction. Before that, a small recap of the previous videos. And light refraction, the path of the light changes from one medium to another medium is called light refraction. Loss of refraction we have already seen. Ratio of sine of angle of incident and sine of angle of refraction is a constant, that is called Snell's law. And we have already seen refractive index and absolute refractive index. We have seen absolute refractive index and refractive index. And next, we are going to see the rectangular glass slab and how the light is passing through it when it enters from rarer medium to denser medium and denser medium to rarer medium, how it enters. That is what we have already seen this. And when it enters from denser medium to rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. Rarer medium to denser medium means it moves towards the normal. Okay. And next, refraction through the rectangular glass slab. When the path of the light is original, because of refraction, it changes its path. This displacement is called lateral displacement. And we have already seen the refractive index of air, ice, water, and some of the glasses, and ruby, sapphire, and diamond, some of the ornaments, that is gems that we are using it over here. And refraction through the spherical lenses. Lenses made up of two spherical surfaces, that is what we have already discussed. And some terminologies related to lenses. Center of curvature, principal axis, optical center, aperture, focus, and how the image is formed, what is aperture, where the optical center is, what is principal axis, and it has two focuses on the one side, one focus one, on the other side of the lens, focus two, it is present over there. That is what we already seen. Now we are going to go for the next part of the video. So in this, if you see here, image formation by the lenses is the topic that we are going to discuss. When it comes to image formation rules, we have already studied for mirror. It is also similar thing, but slightly varies from mirror. In mirror, there is a refraction which is happening over here, as a reflection which is happening over here. In lenses, refraction is happening here. As you can see here, this is a convex lens. It has two focuses. One focus on the one side, second focus on the other side. When the object is kept at infinitive, the light ray comes parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it passes through the second focus. Okay, this is first focus. After refraction, the light ray passes through the second focus. Okay, when it comes to concave lens, if you take it, similarly, the object is kept at infinitive. The light ray comes parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it diverges. But if you extend the divergence ray on the back side, it passes through the focus. Okay, this is the rules formation, first rules for the image formation. The ray of light from the object parallel to the principal axis. This is okay. After refraction from a convex lens, this is refraction, passes through the principal focus on the other side of the lens. Principal focus on the other side of the lenses, as shown. In case of concave lens, the ray appears diverged from the principal axis. It located on the same side of the lens. Okay, this is the first rule. And second, the ray of light passing through the principal focus after refraction from a convex lens, passing through the principal focus, that is first focus. After refraction, it goes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, emerges parallel to the principal axis. The ray of light appearing to meet at the principal focus here appears to meet at principal focus. After refraction, it goes parallel to the principal axis in concave lens. Okay. And the next rules, when the when the light ray goes, through the optical center, without any deviation, it goes on the other side. It does not change its path. It continues to go in a straight line of the other side of the lens. And the same thing is applicable for concave lens also. Concave lens also, this is incident ray. It goes through the optical center. In mirror, we call it as pole, but in lenses, we call it as optical center, right? Center of the mirror is called pole. Center of the lens is called optical center. So the incident ray passes through the optical center after refraction without any deviation. It goes straight. Okay. So these three rules are very important for image formation of the lenses. So if you are thorough with this, by using this only, we are going to see the next video about the image formation of the convex lens and concave lenses. Okay. So go through the video thoroughly, and I'll post the video. We'll post in the next video image formation of the lenses. Thank you.